What's happening, guys? Can you hear me? Is it loud and clear? Okay, we will do a crypto marathon. I apologize for being late. There was some technical difficulty. I was trying to get my setup right, and it was not performing like the way I wanted. So I had to do some, technical shit. But anyways, how are you? Okay, let's look at the markets, okay? Let's look at the markets. What's happening? What's happening? So a lot of indicators are telling me that we might go down, right? Why? When I say down, that means, again, we'll form some sort of channel and we'll go into that channel. Let me know if you're able to hear me clearly. If not, I will do something about it. Yeah, Bitcoin is gonna be boring for a while, and the whole crypto market in general is gonna be boring until we go up. Because again, whatever short squeeze that we did here, see what we did here? It went up and down, created a bear flag. Here we created a bear flag and went up like this, and went up, crashed again, created another bear flag and went bearish, went down, right? So I think that's what's going to happen. It's going to take a little while for the recovery. Why am I saying so? Because I'm looking at Theta Network. I made a video about Theta Network a few days ago that I'm expecting Theta. There's a possibility that Theta might go down. And if Theta is going down considerably, I talked about Theta going down around 93-95 cents when we were here. I said it could be a great trading opportunity because looking at the weekly, we could do something like this. Come and kiss this line. Okay, so we still have some gap left that needs to be filled. And yeah, on a daily, let's see how it looks on a daily. So we could very well come back to this number here, like that, to 82 cents, even go a little lower. Yeah, 81 cents, 82 cents. So yeah, and then bounce back up, try to hit this dollar mark, come back down, before our rally starts. So if Theta is gonna do this, make a bear flag, I expect the whole market to do something like that. There'll be odd coins depending on their cycle where they are. They will go up. Cody, what's up? Everything sounds good. Thank you, brother. Thank you. I finally got the setup straight. My buddy who was here since past 1 month, he just left. So I will be more focused. You will have me here more. So yeah, man. Now I'll be able to focus. I was showing him around. We went so many places. We went to New York. We went to Atlantic City. I showed him Washington, D.C. We were partying since past 2 days in Washington, D.C. It was crazy. My brother-in-law, my nephew, everybody, we all went crazy. My dad was there too. We all got drunk. It was hilarious. But yeah, man. So where are we? Yeah, so something like this, I expect. Form some sort of channel. So Bitcoin can come back down to this level. Come back to 16.3. Yeah, 16.3, maybe a little lower. Yeah, just to mess with you. But anyways, what else looks interesting? I have time today, so we are going to do a crypto marathon. So that is I don't know how long I'm gonna be there till. I have time, and I'm not going out. I don't have any date tonight. So yeah, I'm just gonna be here. All right, we will look at the whole market, all the cryptos, anything that we sees. What's interesting to me is what's really interesting to me right now is Loom Network. Loom Network. Oh my god, I'm loving Loom Network right now. This is one of my love the chart and the way things are looking for Loom Network. Again, obviously we can go down. Usually the triangle ends, it becomes bearish. We can always, there's this level that I'm watching. Loom Network can go down as low as this level and still be very bullish. Okay, this level right here, 0.0168. So there's a possibility that Loom Network does something like this. Okay, like that. It'll be very fast. It won't stay there for a while. But here, what I'm liking about Loom Network is where it is going. So once this triangle is done, boy oh boy, Loom Network's gonna explode, bro. It's going to be crazy. So the only question is, are we already done with the triangle? Because usually the number of days that we pass here, like we pass 679 days, and usually it's a little lower from the top to the bottom, and from there, if you count, it's usually the same number of days, 679. So that would just bring 679 would be somewhere here, right? And we are way past that. We way past that number. It's very unusual, but it happens. But we are due. Loom Networks really due. We've been just killing time for no reason for Loom Network. But that's where the triangle ends here. And so can we stay here till May 23rd? I don't know. But once that is done, this thing looks like it's ready to explode, bro. It looks like it is ready to explode. Yeah, man. $10. Yeah, it sounds ridiculous, but yeah, man. $10 for Loom Network. $10 will come at some point. That is crazy. What is it sitting at right now? 4 cents? 4 cents. Even from here. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's more than 100x. But just be careful. Loom Network can go down to this level. As I said, I mentioned before, it can go down to this level. Something drastic might happen and it just pull a long ass candle down here. And the next month, this candle would go up back and, you know, waste time here. And then when it explodes, it's going to be straight ass, big ass candles. Because we have spent more than enough time right in this area, right? And Loom Network is ready. Again, this is one of my crypto gems. This is for people, you guys, okay? For regular viewers. YFFI. Am I looking at the right crypto? YFII, DeFi money. YFII. Okay. Wrong one. Look at this crypto though. What the hell is this? It's a duplicate Yearn Finance. It went to 0. Oh my god, 100%. Went down 100%. This scam went down 100%. What is this crypto? Oh my god. What is this? That it? This is the one? $00274. Let's see, what's the number here? Oh, it shows 0000, several zeros and a 4. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, bro, this thing looks like a Yearn. Is this a Yearn product or? Bro, it went down 100%. Like, how can you go down 100%? I don't get it. Like, I've not seen any crypto go down. What is this? It went from, you're telling me it went down from $98. What the hell is this? YFFI is the original vision of YFI, an automated market maker and aggregator exchange that scans decentralized exchanges to find the lowest cryptocurrency. YFFI DEX also provides real-time analysis of crypto assets. Is this the YFFI Yearn Finance product, or is it the counterfeit? Let's see, where is it available? Okay. This thing is not legit. PancakeSwap and CoinTiger. I don't know what that is, but it's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Scam. Went down 100%. Who is in the house? Guys, make sure to hit that like. Make sure to hit that like. If you're new here, my name is Shrey, and you are watching Shrey TV, baby. So we were looking at DeFi money. Got sidetracked. If the music is too loud, I'll lower it. I feel it's really loud. Okay, can you hear me now better? It's a little lower, right? Okay. So when this went up, I mentioned that, hey, you gotta be careful, this thing will come back down, and it did. I think we reviewed this product before. So this is the resistance line that we said that it would, you know, could come back up to, and if it holds, then we are good, but it doesn't seem like it's gonna hold. Yeah, it'll come back down. You know what this looks like? DXY. What cryptos usually do that, you know, like make a pattern like this. Any asset. Break this, come back down, make another low, and make a foundation here. You know, go up, come back down again, and then start going up like that. Then go up finally to these levels. Yeah, so I'm not convinced with this Yearn Finance DeFi move. But anyways, we will look at something else. Silo. Silo is pumping 12%. Let's look at Bitcoin Cash. I haven't looked at Bitcoin Cash for a long time. how it's going to act. Oh, I'm a little hesitant until it breaches this mark. I think it'll be very difficult for Bitcoin Cash to breach this. We might form a channel that goes upwards channel like this. In which Bitcoin Cash could be stuck for a little while. If we break this, if we are able to break above this level right there, above this level, this is Bitcoin Cash against Bitcoin, then I would say, it can come back down, all the way back down to this level, before going up and come back down before it starts its journey upwards like that. Because I believe in arcs, and the amount of time that we spend here is huge. So the recovery won't be, the only time I would get bullish is if we break this and just go to the moon. That is very unlikely, but possible. Go up like that, crash back down, and then, do something like this. It's possible, but very unlikely. This is the scenario I'm leaning more towards to. So boarding price action until 2024. We could go to $1,200, $1,400 Bitcoin Cash, and that's still a good move. But the exponential move that we are looking for, that $5,000 Bitcoin Cash, $8,000 Bitcoin Cash, 20,000 Bitcoin Cash, that is going to take a while. So this move here is about 45-50% move on BCH. Puts us right at 100, I would say $170, $180. So it'll seem like we are breaking this huge falling wedge. It'll be a fake out. Looks like it'll be a fake out. Up to 170, make us think, oh man, we are breaking out, and then come back down to this level, right, in the triangle, do something like this. Okay, this level again, very crucial, very important level. The levels to watch for Bitcoin Cash are these levels here, 210. And the next level is this level where it's gonna stop. 473. Huge level. Very, very tough to break this level. So we're gonna waste, I'm pretty sure, a nice correction, good size correction would come at these levels. Whenever that happens. How low can Bitcoin go down from here? Bro, that's a tough question here. If you look at Bitcoin's cycle, BLX, look, that's not the right way to ask a question. For this cycle, well, I know what you mean. Right now, how low can we go? Bro, just, it's scary when you look at Bitcoin, how far we have come. Right, I'm not a rocket scientist, but look at that. That is Bitcoin. Okay. This is from 2010. This is the oldest Bitcoin cycle. So, it's scary. We are forming a huge arc. Depends how you look at this arc. If I look at it this way, then it's scary. It's scary. That means the cycle is done. But I don't think so. It's just I'm not looking at it correctly. So holding this resistance is very important. I personally think Bitcoin has more room to go. It could go as high as these numbers, How long I can stretch this arc? Don't know. But this arc has a limit I can stretch to. I feel 2030 is the limit. 2030 is the limit for this arc. At some point, we will come out of this trend line. I don't think that'll be now. We go up, do something like this, and at some point we will come back out and then go up, to $1 million. Like break this line, and everyone will panic. They'll be like, oh my God, we broke out of this, huge resistance from years. But then it'll go, it'll mess with everybody, and it'll go to $1 million. Yeah, it's crazy. But how low can we go? Well, I don't think we will break this resistance. This is a solid resistance here for Bitcoin right now. There are two resistance. I think Bitcoin, personally, I think Bitcoin hit its bottom. But people may see it differently than me. Look, I look at it this way. Huge resistance coming from 2017, and this resistance is coming from 2013. Can we get a long wick like this? Yeah, possible. But the only scenario, what everyone is waiting for, is this. Like, there are several assets which have done this, like this. Everyone's waiting for this wick to happen. Some sort of black swan event. Happens, and this thing stretches up until $10,000, $9,000, $7,000. Nice wick down to this level, these levels right here. These levels, huge support here, right? So that's what everyone is expecting. But market never does what you expect, okay? So you have to think, be a contrarian. I think at these prices, this is an amazing buy. I don't know what FUD you hear about exchanges, anything, right? I think the RSI, bro, I look at the RSI and which is the lowest. RSI has never been this low. Look at this, all this, whole life of Bitcoin, RSI has never been this low. It'd be foolish to not get in here. Foolish. Again, guys, nothing on the channel is a financial advice. I'm just some guy on the internet who wears a hat and a shade at night. So, okay. So, yeah. But I think we hit the bottom. Bottom is in. And we're just jerking around, people. It's just a short squeeze, a lot of people are outside waiting for this. Might not happen, but if it does happen, then the wick could go down as low as, depends how long it takes for it to come down. Wait, if it's in 2023 is gonna happen. Yeah, it could come down to $8,000, $7,000. If it's going to happen right now, then I would say $9,000, $10,000. But nothing's supporting that it will happen. I have to have evidence that it'll happen. Because look at the RSI. The monthly. This is the monthly RSI, bro. Look at that. You look at the weekly RSI. Look at this. Don't make sense. Don't make sense to be bearish right now at all. Like zero. 0 cents in being bearish. Can we go down? Yeah, things have happened. But look. Look at this RSI. We're almost done, bro. Almost done with the garbage. Almost done. The RSI going to build another dome right here, like that, a big one. Hey, a new cycle is about to start here. Do you see that? How long this was for? 1400 days. This one, almost 1300 days. This one here, almost 1200 days. So at least 1,000 day cycle, 1,000 to 1,500 days. So let's just be conservative and say 1,300 days. In the middle, 1,300 days is February of 2026. So, top could be somewhere in 2024, 25, right? 2024, 25. Yeah, that's where the top could be. Because we start our new cycle right here. And RSI jumps up, comes back down, goes up, comes back down, goes up. Does something like this, right? And when the RSI is going down, it's usually a bearish divergence, but the price keeps on going up, right? This is where you get out. Like that. Okay. So we are about to start a new cycle. There's no point being bearish right now or having any doubts in your mind that what's going to happen right now. Zero doubts. You know, I'm fully invested in the market. I don't have a dime left, like a dollar left with me. I'm all in. Yep. No, I'm fully invested. At these levels, I'm fully invested. I bought, you know, last 45,000 I had. I went all in. Went all in. So, you know, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. It's okay. You know, I did DCA all this time. 5th of May, I released that video that we were going to crash 70 to 80%. At that time, I took the money out. And I told all my Patreon to, you know, I told them what I was going to do, right? This is when I got out. I took, you know, about almost 50% of my money out during that time. And since then, I've been DCA. But, you know, I told them when I was going all in as well, right? So I told them right here that I was going all in and we were going to pump at this stage here, right here. I told them I was going all in and we were going to do something like this. Create a lower low. You know, this was said too, right? So it's on my Patreon. Everything's on the Patreon. So I had some good trades. Yeah. My account looks good because I showed the courage and got out on 5th of May. 5th of May was April, May was somewhere around here when I got out. April, May, 5th of May, right here. Okay. I told them, I warned them about the crash right here. The huge crash is coming. And within like just a couple weeks, everything collapsed. 5th of May was when I, you know, said we were going to crash. Altcoin is going to crash 70 to 80%. 5th of May. We were right here. This is when I got out of the market. Got out. So I didn't get at the top, but this is where I got out. So I was down, already down. You know, there are some coins which were down 70% already, right? From the top. Some altcoins were down already 70%, but I still got out, right? Still got out. And, you know, we dropped a lot. When it shows here 57%, imagine what happened to altcoin. This is the total market cap, okay? When a total market cap drops 57%, your altcoins go to zero. So, yeah, that's the reason I was able to, you know, my portfolio still looks okay. It's not amazing. No. I should have followed my advice. I've showed this, okay? What happened was we were somewhere around here, and I told on September 2021 I made this video that we were going to see this crash. What I was expecting us to go to this level and crash from here lower, you know, like that. That's what I was expecting. I didn't expect us to go when we made this another high. This is where I fucked up. I was like, man, you know, I am wrong. I am wrong. And we could be going up. So I didn't get out when this happened because I was expecting this to happen. Right there. This. Okay, this is what I was expecting. I was like, we'll make a lower low and then the market will continue. Right. I was expecting a pullback, not a bear market. Okay. So that was how I was expecting. Still only one like. What's happening? Guys, who else is here? Make sure to hit that like. Bro, come on. It's a Saturday night and I'm here. You know, you want me to stay here or go? If you want me to go, I'll go. I can go have a beer, go out. Make sure to hit that like, bro. Come on. My brothers from another mother. Don't be lazy. Just hit that like. Hit it, baby. Well, Elon Musk, man, I love that guy. Right now, he's trending everywhere. XRP is trending. A while ago, Bitcoin Cash was trending. I don't know why, but Bitcoin Cash was trending today. You know what makes a crypto is the community. The bigger the community they have and the time. If you have a community for 5 years, 6 years, 10 years, and which has, you know, grown, that shows the investors as well, institutions, hedge funds, and everybody, you know, long-term investors, that okay, they have a huge community, and it's been Bitcoin Cash has been used in, you know, if you go to Bahamas or St. Kitts or Southeast Asia, it's being used. Huge community. XRP has a huge community. So, yeah. Because they want liquidity. Why everyone loves Bitcoin? They don't care about the technology. They don't care about it's the future. They want to make money. And hedge funds, institutions, billionaires, they all invest at a place where they have liquidity. Where do they have the highest liquidity? In Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. If I have $1 billion and I invest, which market can I get out quicker without affecting the market that much? Is Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? Compared to a small cap. I wouldn't even look at a small cap if I'm a billionaire, because there's no point. Because, you know, imagine if the market cap is only 5 million and I'm a billionaire, I have $1 billion to invest. How can I invest? The market cap of that thing is 5 million. So how much, you know, even if I invest 1 million, 2 million into that's going to just, you know, pump the price up and everyone else is gonna, you know, cash out. So yeah, that's why they're looking for Bitcoin and Ethereum at the moment. But always think, you know, Nokia was the phone, right? Everyone used Nokia. I don't know how old you are, but in the 90s when cell phones came out, Nokia was the thing. And it was the first ones in the phone, especially I was in Asia. Even here, I think Nokia was big, man, huge. Nobody uses Nokia now, right? So just like that, I don't think Bitcoin is the future. There will be a better crypto. Which one, I don't know. You know, which one, I don't know. But, you know, in like 2030, by 2030 or 2035, some other crypto will take over. But until then, I'm bullish on Bitcoin. Yes, it is good. But it'll be a relic after that. Any new technology you look at, right? Americans were the one who invented cars, and Germans and Americans, right? What happened? Japanese copied their cars, made them better, right? They don't break, right? Why do we have Honda, Toyota, right? Acura. And that's, I have friends in car dealerships. They love Japanese car, right? They made a better product, right? So there could be a better product, which is more user friendly, easy to use, right? But who am I to say that? But that's what I think is going to happen. 6 people, 3 likes. Not fair. But people who liked, you're the man. Or you are my lady. If you're a girl. I used to do a Hindi podcast in Hindi. It's an Indian language. And I used to say, my brothers and their sisters. Where are you guys from? Cody, where are you from, bro? We might not see good price action until this happens, right? You see this? This is an important level, right? That we need to reach. And what could happen? See the way we're building this arc like that? March. Something like this could totally happen where, boring drag here until December, Jan. In January, we are able to break out of this like that. Come back down. Go up somewhere in March. And do something like this. Huge bear flag again. How many bear flags we gonna make like that? Right. See, Bitcoin did that. The market and the Bitcoin and the market did that here. See what happened here? So something like this could happen again. See what I'm talking about? Go up and come back down. All right. But we'll get cautious when we reach at this point, somewhere in March. Somewhere in March of 2023. And this thing can't come this. Oh. Come on. Oh. I want to be relaxed. Can you hear me?
Every time I need to go, every time I need to know. Bitch, please call me now. I don't wanna win the war, win the war, win the war, win the war, win the war.
Bitch, please call me now. I don't wanna win the war.
Jed is from the UK. You still up, bro? Cody's from Fort Worth, Texas. How are you, brother? Jed, if you have $1,000, how would you invest it for the next bull run? $1,000. Najad K, can you check USDT dominance? Omar Perez from, I don't know what country is that, bro. What country is that? Omar. I'm sorry, bro. That looks like an Indian flag from side. I mean, I know the Indian flag is horizontal, but the colors are very similar. What's your favorite L1? Well, if you're looking for Ethereum competitor, then Zilliqa is my favorite. Right now, the way the cycle is set up, what, $42,000 worth Zilliqa just recently. So, yeah, Zilliqa, I love Zilliqa.
Every time I need to go, every time I need to know. Bitch, please call me now. I don't wanna win the war, win the war, win the war, win the war, win the war.
Bitch, please call me now. I don't wanna win the war. Bitch, please call me now. I don't wanna win the war.
Again, my opinion could be biased, but hey, this is what I did. I shouldn't say how much I bought it for, but hey, that's what the last $42,000 I had, I went all in on Zilliqa. And I think it's time for Zilliqa to shine. It will shine, baby, shine. But don't take my word for it, okay? It can come back down. All right.
Bitch, please call me now. I don't wanna win the war.
Just because I did it, you don't have to do it, you know. Can we do that? Yes, it can happen. I don't want to take a chance. That's why if I see the signs like that, then, I would get out. But I don't think this happens. Time to go up. Time to go up. Why? There's another reason why I believe altcoins are ready. Hold on, let me show you. Others right there. You see this? I feel others, that means all the coins except Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the major top 20 are ready for a next leg up, bro. Look at that. This is the cycle for the dominance for others. It's all the coins except Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the top 20. All the coins which are not in the top 20 are here. I feel at some point we are going to break this and come back down. Not now though. Right now we are holding perfect here. And there is a chance we go up at least to this level until March. Slowly but gradually we go up like that, and then something like this happens and we come back down. This is where a lot of altcoins will make their lower low, and Bitcoin keeps on going up. And the top 20 coins, some coins will outperform. But when the others' dominance goes down to this level, and I do think that'll happen, it'll go down to this level. This is where a lot of altcoins will make their lower low, the bottom. There's so many altcoins which have not reached their bottom, which will make their bottom during that time. But right now, I'm very bullish. I'm bullish on altcoins. Omar, flag is Mexico. Oh, how are you, brother? ¿Cómo está? I told you I like Loom Network. Loom is another coin that I really like, that I feel is going to do really well in this bull market. We need to find these coins way ahead before they start pumping, okay? As I said, Loom Network this is the lowest point it could go. Lowest point. That is from here, it is another 65%. It's possible, okay? But I like Loom Network, especially the way it's building its cycle. Whenever this explodes, bro, it's going to go nuts. Between $5 to $10 for Loom Network. $5 to $10. The way it's building its cycle. Okay. Let me show you something that is similar to that, okay? What happened? What happened? That's what I expect, for Loom. Whenever this ends, and when it's going to end, I don't know. We could go this low. Okay, we could go this low. Waste a lot of time here. We could waste a lot of time here until 2023. Come here and then go up. Okay, but when this will start to go up, it's going to be massive. But I have to have a lot of patience. Can we go down to this level? Yes, absolutely. We can go down to this level before pumping up. But like from here, $5 from here is still almost close to 100x. Okay. If you're lucky, it goes down here, then it's more money. But it's taking a chance. I have not invested yet in Loom Network. I have to decide. I have coins like that, which I feel are going to go up massively. So, my goal is to stay not more than 7 or 8 assets. That's it. So that I'm able to take profits when the time comes, right? So Back in the day, I used to have about 25 to 28 assets. I kept on consolidating and sold a lot of shit, which was, just confusing, right? Because you don't know when it pumps. I can't keep track of 28 assets. Cody, can Illuvium hit 1800 again or higher next bull run? It's very close to getting its cycle done. Okay, very close. It will hold this line, but it's possible it makes another lower low, breaks this, and just breaks your morale. Totally possible that Illuvium does this, breaks your morale, like that, goes down, and then its new cycle starts. Okay. And yes, I do think this can recover and go above this level. Yes, it can happen. What path it takes, I don't know, bro. What path it takes, how long it'll take, I cannot say that. We'll have to keep an eye. The way it looks right now, if we go according to that, then here could form a channel like that. If something like this happens, then this is the top, wherever that happens. At $2,400, $2,500 will be kind of top. Right, $2,400, $2,700 will be the top. But if we go lower, then the chances are that it goes much higher. It's like a slingshot, okay? Anything is like a slingshot. If it goes lower, the chances are it does something like this. Just disregard, okay, this 40,000 or those prices. But what I'm trying to explain is, I've seen assets do this, and any asset you look at in the first cycle, they're very tumultuous for a long time. For 1,000 days, it could be tumultuous. 1,000 to 1,200 days, it might not go up. So right now, from the top, it's been only 366 days. So this is when, usually cryptos, they take about 800 days to 1,000 days from the top to start going up. Okay? So 800 days is in March of 2024. It'll take time. We need to find cryptos which has already done this cycle, bro. Like, you know, like the way I explained Loom Network. Why do I like Loom Network? It has gone through the bullshit. This crypto, Illuvium, might go through this boring phase that goes up and down, comes back down, goes up, comes back down, and you know, all this boring crap. But I feel Loom Network has gone through that boring phase and it's ready. Look, where Illuvium is right now in the cycle, it's just going down and it's finding its bottom, right? Illuvium is finding its bottom. Illuvium is somewhere here. It might go up and then crash one more time and find its bottom, right? Illuvium is somewhere around here in the cycle where it needs to go through this boring phase where it goes up, comes back down, goes up, comes back down before its cycle really starts like that, okay? This is the most profitable cycle. Once we are done with this boring phase, the cycle after that is the most profitable one. So we need to find setups like that where a crypto has already done through the bullshit and it's ready to explode. I still don't own any Loom, but I will. I hope I don't fall sick. Jed, well, there are many, bro. I can't be partial just because I own, you know, I have a lot of theta. I have a lot of theta. Six pack on me, brother. Cody, awesome. You're awesome, bro. Thank you. So, yeah, where was I? Yeah, I just don't like to waste time into cryptos where it's going to be boring or I'm not sure about. Right? I want to be in cryptos which are ready. You know, right now it's ready. So just like that, look, Zilliqa is ready. It has gone through the boring phase. Zilliqa is ready. This crypto, it hit the bottom, right? It hit the bottom and went through the bullshit phase. This is called the bullshit phase. Right? It went through the bullshit phase. You know, might have not completed the bullshit phase yet. You know, might come down here, right? But it's very close to being done with the bullshit phase, right? Very close. And it's ready to just have the biggest cycle, the biggest move of all time, right? So I want to be into cryptos which are ready to make that big, huge move up. And they tend to not come back down as much. So if it decides to go back up, you know, there are many cryptos which are going to go up. If the cycle's done here, many cryptos will bottom like this. They will go up and come back down like that, you know, in 2023. Come back down to this point. Like the way Loom did. Loom Network. Like the way Loom Network did. It just wasted time, came back down, like the way Horizon did. Horizon, that's another coin which is pretty good. Look at this. It's just waste of time, man. You know, wasted a lot of time. Look, if you look at your coin, Illuvium, just looks like this, right? Just looks like this. If you look at it, you know, just forget about everything. Look at this coin. You You know what I mean? Looks very similar, right? See? See the cycle? How similar it is? It looks like identical, bro. It looks like a twin. Horizon. It looks like a twin, bro. Look at that. Looks like a twin. So imagine, look at Horizon, what it did. What a bullshit cycle. You know, it went through this bullshit phase after that. Oh my God. Do you want to go through this bullshit like that? Nah, man, I don't have the patience. I don't have the patience, you know, to deal with this bullshit. So Illuvium can do that, you know. Could come all the way half, you know, dump back down, come up, dump back down, come up, dump back down. Right. The whole 2023, this is what Illuvium can do. And I have zero patience for that. Can create like a triangle like this. See? This thing, that's what it did. It created a triangle, right? Sort of, you know, you can say sort of triangle. Right, before it broke out. But see, this coin, Horizon, has already gone through the bullshit. Right, it has gone through this bullshit phase. It has gone through this boring and bullshit phase. It went up and it came down. The second bullshit phase. It went through this bullshit. And now it is ready. Now it's ready to make its biggest move in crypto. Now it's ready. When this thing explodes, it's not coming back. It's not coming back till 2025. This will, you know, just keep on going up. You'll get small pullbacks, but it'll keep on going up. You know what I mean? It'll have, it'll build an arc like this.
Tell me you love me.
See what I'm talking about? That thing's going to $1,000. Okay? Horizon. But you feel me what I'm saying. It's the first cycle of Illuvium. It could waste a lot of time. Hello, LOUC. ETH BTC macro wedge. Please look. Thank you. Sure. ETH BTC. ETH, I'm bullish. If you look at this way, then it came below the rising wedge, like this. Depends how you look at it, right? I look at the altcoin dominance and this chart very similar, right? very close to, it has to make a decision. It needs to go up, the dominance, or go down. It has to come back down to here, bro. The dominance. I'm looking at the dominance chart inverted. So see what's happening right now, right? On a weekly. At some point, it's going to break this and come back down. See? It's just, there are many assets that I've seen. That's what they'll do. It'll waste time, go up and down. Still has to waste time before it comes back down like that. You could either do this or do this. But it'll come back down to this level, right? So I feel Ethereum dominance is ready to go up, at least to these levels. Come back to this level, then we can have a big reversal. I mean, a fake out reversal, right? It'll still keep on going down, but it could have a nice fake out reversal trying to catch up like that and then get rejected and go back down one more time like that. And then it'll be the bottom. That means the top for the dominance, right? Like that. Ethereum dominance. It could be like a double top, right? Something like that. But it will come back to this level. Right now, that's what it's looking. Bullish. Dominance will go up. Ethereum dominance will go up. Sure, anytime, brother. Hello? JW, can you check rally? What's up, brother? How are you? Theta is good hidden moonshot that I would like to share with you. Jed, yeah, I have Theta. I have a lot of Theta, bro. But Theta has not reached its lower low yet. Theta, man, I will leave that for my Patreons, okay? I'm bullish on Theta right now. Okay? The way it is, it's gonna pump, but it has not reached its bottom. Theta has not reached its bottom. It'll happen somewhere in 2023. Rally. Yeah, man, I don't like any of the cryptos which have, this kind of cycle. 99.30. But yeah, it can waste a lot of time. It can, because it has to, it can go up like that, come back down. How it's going to act, I cannot say that. But it's almost at the bottom, bro. It's done. This is rally's bottom. Okay. It can make another bottom. It can go up and come back one more time down. Okay, so just get you excited and just ruin you. It can happen, but right now, as we speak, this is rally's bottom, and it will go up from here. It can make another lower low, but right now rally is done. It'll start to go up. Yeah, it can reach at these levels, Have a nice bump. The next couple of months, rally can rally. Nice 200% pump can happen with rally, and then it can, when it dumps, it can make its lower low if it wants to. Okay. Not sure if it will, but looks like usually most of cryptos do that. If it's not right now, then it can do something like this. If it doesn't happen right now, it'll happen later, but it will happen. Rally can do this. Make an arc and go down and then make a lower low like that. Okay, it will make its lower low. Even if it's down 99%, right now it's down, it went down to 99.34%, but it can still go down lower, but not now. Now it's time to go up. Will it happen in next few months where it does this and makes a lower low and get done with? Yeah, this scenario is very much possible. Right, February, March, come down to this level. When I say this level, that means 2.004, a long wick could go down to 0.003. And that would make the fall to 99.67%, 99.70%. Right, it'll be done after that. I want you to know that all of you who are here right now, all of you are going to do really, really well. You guys are at the bottom of the bear market. Okay? All the idiots are going to come when you will be already 10x. Those idiots will come when you will be 10x in your portfolio. We are going to dump on these motherfuckers. Yeah, man. So, everybody who's here right now is going to do well. It's going to do really well. we are taking the risk right now. People who take risk, they are the one who will get rewarded. Yep. Let's look at VGX. What's up with VGX? Voyager token. I'm surprised it's holding pretty well. After, you know, the exchange collapse, right? It went under bankruptcy or something. This is a Canadian exchange, okay? There are not many big exchanges in Canada. So, you know, this could do well, okay? Even if it's bankrupt, this thing can come back down to these levels, you know? And then after that, it could start its cycle. Voyager. But even at these levels, you know, not bad. But I would buy. It'll come back down. It'll come back down to these levels again. It's not bottomed out. I think this is the level. You know, anywhere in these levels from goodbye from here onwards. Once it comes back down to this level, from this level to this level, it's a goodbye. 20 cents to 10 cents. Yeah, 20 cents to 10 cents is a goodbye for Voyager. AW, thank you. Cody, damn right. Yeah, man. We will all do really well. I'm so excited. You know, people don't realize, you know, millionaires and billionaires are made in bear market. And I believe the roaring 20s is going to come. It feels so depressing right now with the economy, the war, everything going on around you, all the FUD. But we are going to have one of the most affluent, and this is the only time to make money for your next generations, for your kids. Everything will be automated in the next 10 years. Very few people will have jobs. So this is our time to make that wealth for our kids, for the next generations. You know, you want to be called Sir Cody, and this is the time. Sir JW, this is the time. To leave a legacy, even if you die, and they will remember you. They'll be like, oh, my grandfather, Sir Cody Brown, or did this, right? He wasn't sitting with his thumb in his ass during the bear market. He bought. Yep. We are going to leave legacy. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. What's happening with Ample Fourth? Making its bottom? There's so many cryptos, man. So many cryptos. I don't trust it yet. forth. Yeah, don't trust it yet. Could do something like this. Sucks. Me no like it. It's important for it to hold this level. I think I'm gonna fall sick or something. I went out clubbing yesterday and there were a lot of people. There were a lot of people. My throat is hurting too. But I had a lot of beer since past almost 20 days. I've been drinking on a everyday basis, like cold chilled ice beer, scotch, all kind of alcohol. Aptos shit look really bad to me too. Aptos. It's not even here yet. What is it called? APT. Shit is bad. Take people's money. I don't know, man. Doesn't look good to me. Looks like this chart. Aptos looks like this. Which will just keep on going down, down, and down. That is gonna be Aptos, ladies and gentlemen. That's how Aptos is gonna look. See this? Shit will keep on going down. Any fake pumps, you get the hell out. Look at this. This looks like Aptos. Aptos is gonna be exactly like this. I would get the hell out of Aptos, right? If I was anybody in Aptos, when it pumps a little bit, it goes to $5.86. Boy, I would run. I would run. That's what's gonna happen to Aptos. $2. $2, $1. Very bad. Very, very bad. Yeah, man. This thing's gonna be $2 or $1. $2 or $1. Aptos. I told people to get out here, man. You know, when Aptos, I was like, get the hell out. Get the hell out. Right here. Even at $7. At this, between $5 to $6, oh my God. This is an opportunity to get out. UBT USD. Unibright, this is the one. Yeah, I like it. At some point, it'll reach this level. When? I don't know. But at some point, it's going to reach this level. Not now. I think now it can get bullish. Go up to this level right here. To these levels. And then, you know, do something like this. And then the cycle will be done. You know, it'll start its new cycle once it reaches this level. You know, possibly it could kiss, just come and kiss. A long wick could come and just kiss this level, just like that, and then go up. All right, just be yeah. Right now, looks like it will not come back down. It'll start to go up to $1, between $1 to between $1 to $1.30. A long wick could go down to $1.80. Yeah. Yeah, man. That's how I see it. $1 to $1.20, and it'll be done. May of 2023. So again, you know, what could happen is it could come all the way up here. Nice, you know, move up to these levels and then boom, come back all the way back down. And then go up. Okay, something like this can happen. Okay, it can come back down to this level to 13 cents, go all the way back up to 50, between 50 to 60 cents, and come back down. There could be like this crash in between before it reaches $1. Just a heads up. Jed, a good investment? Well, I cannot, you know, I'm not a advisor, bro, but you know, VeChain, if you look at the news and anything else, it's a good product. Like in China, it's big. VeChain partnered with Walmart. Look, I mean, for instance, VeChain collaborated with China-based subsidiary of Walmart to develop blockchain traceability platform on VeChain Thor. The platform has designed scales at least 100 products line in about 10 product categories. So they are using VeChain right now as we speak. So, well, but it's Chinese. VeChain is a product from Asia, right? That's the only thing. I mean, it's gonna do well. Companies are using it, but again, it's a product from Asia. So obviously, the U.S. market makers want their product to do well. So VeChain competitor is like TRAC. European competitor for VeChain would be, I think, something like VIDT. TRAC is a VeChain competitor. TRAC, Origin Trail. A lot of people don't know VeChain crashed. It went to zero. Okay, when VeChain, these people delete those cycle, but I've been following VeChain for a very long time. Since VeChain used to be called something else. So they show the cycle only from here, right? VeChain cycle is way bigger than this. They cut off the thing. You know how it'll look like this. VeChain cycle will look like this, like a flat. Because VeChain was right here, somewhere here. And it crashed like this. Like just came down to zero. Okay? VeChain was here, just like Luna. What Luna did? Remember what Luna did? Luna was here like that, right? And VeChain was like this, and it crashed, came down to zero. And this is a new cycle of VeChain. It's just like Luna. Like what Luna did, like this. This is exactly what VeChain did. VeChain cycle was like this, and it crashed overnight, just in a day. Within one day, it came down like that. And this is new VeChain cycle. This is a new VeChain cycle. It came down, bro, like that. They don't show this in this cycle, but that's how it did. So it'll go up. It'll go up. These are all new investors. The old investors dumped on you, on VeChain. People must have lost a lot of money. They must have, just whatever happened to Luna people happened to VeChain investors before. But these are all new investors right here. These are all new investors. So it's just doing its cycle. How low it comes, I don't know. Probably can come down to this level. Can come down to this level, kiss this level before going up. Okay? I just don't like the fact that they dump like FTT, Luna, all these. I mean, yeah, man. It's so bad. People must have lost their life savings in Luna. I mean, come on, man. Come on. You can't dump like that. How is it even legal to dump like this? You can. And people are, this guy is roaming free. This FTT guy is roaming free. It's just unbelievable. Like you steal stuff like $10 worth stuff from a store. What happens to you? Look at that. And ethically, how these people can live, I don't understand, man. How can you live with this burden that you are such an evil person? Evil person, man. But this money, either these people die in a car accident or something bad happens to them. Karma, man. Karma is a bitch. They come and bite you. So you can, a lot of people, you get their, bad blessings. That's not a right word. Bad. When somebody feels that pain, somebody honest person loses their money, who has worked hard all his life and loses their money. Imagine the pain that the person goes through from this bullshit. It'll come to you. It'll come to you. Yeah, bad people, man. Bad people are out there. They don't give a fuck. But they don't think, they think nobody's watching. God is always watching on you. God is always watching. Hello, Luke. Everything looks like it could take years to get back to all-time high. Looks so very long-term. Looks like all of this was planned by the elite from the beginning. Very well orchestrated. Yes, everything is planned, brother. Everything is planned by market makers. But it doesn't seem long when you look at 2024 is right around the corner. 2023 is going to be a boring period for the whole crypto market. We are not going to see, whatever pump you're going to see, it's going to come back down in 2023. But the moment 2023 is done, this is where the bull cycle starts in 2024. 2024, right before elections, before elections, 2 or 3 months before US elections, we will see a huge spike, huge, massive spike in the market. So, see, what Democrats, if they want to win, they want to bring the market up, okay? November 2024 is the US election, and all the charts lead me towards that date. I think there will be a massive crash right before the election, because Democrats, they will take the market, pump the market up, and the other side don't want them to look good, so they will crash the market right before the election. Right before the election, they will crash the market. Once the election is over, market will rally again in 2025. So we will have the opportunity of our lives to do a phenomenal trade in 2024. Just have to have patience and self-belief, right? All the charts, anything I look at, that's what it's leading me towards, 2024. 2024, yeah, man. 2023 is going to be boring. Some cryptos, there will be odd projects, 4 or 5 projects, which just keeps on going up, right? There'll be always, they want you to have hope. They want to reel you in, like, like that, so you don't get out, right? Thanks for the tip, bro. $14. Hello. You've been awesome. Cody, you've been great. Thanks for everyone who's donating, man. It helps. It helps. Every little helps. Every little helps. And it just shows appreciation. Yeah, let me know, man. I'm here. I'm fresh. Good to go. I slept good. I was up all night. We were partying. And then came back 4:30 in the morning and, didn't sleep after that. Because my friend was supposed to leave in the afternoon. So once he left, I slept. All these new projects, man. You have to make sure what cycle you get into. Nobody's talking about Kusama now. Everyone was like so hyped about Kusama. I don't know, man. A weird cycle it has printed. I don't like Kusama right now. Just don't want to touch it. Don't want to touch it. Don't know how low it can go because it has not I don't think. I don't know how low it can go. Looks like falling wedge in the RSI. There's always a danger of this happening. Yeah, I don't like it. Do not like it. Could be wrong, but hey. Lose this level, this thing will just collapse. Like back down to this level right here. Waste some more time here before going back down like that. Usama. Okay. And it can waste time here for years. For years to come. No man. Zero interested. Can you look at AR, Jed? AR. What is AR, Jed? I'm typing Jed. AR. Yeah, I don't like it, bro. Just looking at the cycle, anything which has not come down considerably, again, it's its first cycle. It's its first cycle, and it has already all the gains. People made the gains here. Went up 17,000%. Again, I could be totally wrong, brother. It could pump. I would get the hell out when it pumps to this level. This thing could pump like a motherfucker, to this level, to 471 or 351, between 351 to $500. If this happens, I would get the hell out of here. If we do this, boom, like that, it just goes up. It's gonna come back crashing down, bro. It will come back down like that. Okay, I would get the hell out of here. 350, 340 to $500. It very well might go there. Okay. Yeah, bro, this thing is going to go up. This thing's going to go to $370, okay? Yeah, 370 for $500. Yeah, get out. Again, nothing on the channel is a financial advice, just my opinion. I'm some guy on the internet, guys, okay? Who wears shades at night and a hat indoors. All right, I'm gonna relax a little bit. I don't know if you guys are able to hear me or not, but let me know if you're not able to hear me. I'll come closer. But I need to charge my battery. Okay. Where were we? Orion protocol. Let's look at this. ORN. Orion was very popular. I had a lot of requests for ORN back in the day. Looks like it's done. What do you think? One more leg down? Or is it done? Yeah, probably one more leg down. You know, 50 cents. Feb or March. Then probably it'll be done. Yeah, 50 cents for ORN. And then I'll be very bullish because the way the cycle's been printed, it could be like this. Right, it'll be done. See, some cryptos it'll be luck, okay? Some cryptos it'll be luck. Like, let me show you. UltraBPay, ACH. How the crypto is gonna react, you don't know. There will be an odd crypto which is just going to skyrocket like this. These are all manipulated. Do you think me and you are buying this crypto like that up? Like straight up like that? Me and you are doing this? No. But one of your cryptos that you hold can pull a candle like this. It's just matter of luck, bro. You know, that no one can tell you that what cycle. Once the dump is done, how it's going to play out, it could have played out like this. Right? It could have played out like this. Come up, down, and then it starts to go up, reaches this level, right? Instead, it took this route. So, no influencer, no technical analyst. What we can do is just speculate, right? What kind of cycle. Once we have enough history, we can just point out that this might happen, okay? Because there are 3 or 4 ways. It's not 3 or 4, probably 10 ways a product can go up, and 10 ways a product can come down, an asset can come down. So those 10 ways, it could pick any cycle. All right. This is a strong resistance here. Will it go down to this level? I don't know. This ACH might go down to this level. I think it's done. Aptos is going to be like this. Just keep on going down. I haven't looked at ICP for a long time. ICP. Again, what a ripoff. All these founders, they are the one who to blame. They should all go to jail for doing this to people. They are the one who are doing this to people. Look at this. What's interesting about this is, look at the RSI. The RSI has been going up all this time. I like this now. ICP, I like it. It went to $3. Can it go down to $2? Yes, it can. Okay, $1.88, something like that. It can happen. Okay, it can go up like that and then boom, come back down to $1.70, and it'll be done with the dump. Okay, something like this can happen, but this looks bullish to me, like on a long term. That's how I see it. You know, it'll waste time in 2023, and then it goes up, comes back down, and then it goes back up again. I see ICP $300 at some point, like that. Pulse Unity, income from the whole ecosystem, PLSU. Hope everyone is well. I am sat in hospital bored, just dropping by to say hi. Make you all aware of the new social token Pulse Unity on ETH. If you have to choose between Algo and Atom, which one would you choose? Algo and Atom. Let's see the cycle. I think Atom. Algo, both Algorand, just because of the fundamentals, because it has ties with SEC. He's friends with Gary Gensler's. Algorand founder is friends with Gary Gensler. So I think it will not have any yeah, Algo looks good, bro. Look, Algo looks good. Oh my god, Algo looks really good, brother. See what I was talking about, that it went through the boring phase. It went through, this is where it found the bottom, and it went through the boring phase, and it has come down to this level. This is it. This is Algo's bottom. It's not going any lower. This is Algo's bottom right there. Okay, it's gonna start its new cycle. It's gonna start its new cycle. Yeah, I like Algo here, man. This is the bottom for Algo. This is the bottom. I really like Algo. Thank you for pointing out, bro. This is the bottom for Algo. Looks good here. This 6, 7, 8. The only problem with algo is $10. I'm very close to $10, probably $8. Easily. Look at that, bro. Oh my god. This looks so good. Finally, I found a cycle that I love. Oh my god. Look at that. This is $10, $12 easy. Easy, 10, 12 bucks. It's gonna happen fast. Whenever that happens, it's gonna be fast. $10, $12 for algo. This looks really good, brother. Look at that. This thing is ready. Yeah, man, it's ready. Wow. Looks beautiful. How much time is gonna waste here? Nobody knows. But I think this particular thing is the bottom. Right here where it is. It'll be very volatile before it goes up, okay? So just keep your eyes. It'll be very volatile here. You know, it goes up. I'm gonna waste a lot of time here. Like this, okay? And it'll be fast, probably May, June in 2023. This could hit. All the other cryptos will hit their highs in 2024, but this could hit, you know, this number in 2023. This $10, $12 number in 2023. Okay? Just the way the cycle is set up. That's why I'm saying. Yeah, $10. $8 to $10 is coming for algo. Looks good, brother. Looks good. I know, hello. I know. But Algorand looks good. Let's look at Atom. Same with Atom, looks good, but just like the other one, this can come back down to this level. This level. Once it comes back down to this level, I'll be more confident to put my money. It might not have reached its bottom. It might waste time in 2023. Atom. Something like this could happen before the new cycle starts. Okay? Like that. 2024, 2025. Algorand, on the other hand, looks ready to me. It's like ripe. This thing is like ripe. Ready. Just waste time here. Once it's done with this March, April dump, this thing's gonna go to the moon, baby. Go to the moon. Thanks for letting me know, man. There are so many cryptos. You know, that's why I did the marathon, so that way we can touch on things we have not touched for a long time. So it keeps us posted. This is where we find gems, right? These long sessions that we do, you know, I love it. I love it. Raj, what's happening, brother? What's happening? How are you? Are you back? Are you back from India? forgot the countries. You're in Bulgaria. Bulgaria. How was Bulgaria, bro? We did a long session. You came late. We've been here more than 2 hours. Yep. I did a lot of cryptos today. Today's session is a good session. Algorand looks really good. Algorand. Yeah, man. I like it. Damn. Can't believe I'm out of this bullshit. What do you guys have been up to? I want to edit that video that I made in Miami. I went asked people what do they think about crypto and all. I'm gonna post that. Finally, this microphone is working. I was so angry because the whole setup was not working. That's why I didn't feel like coming live. Now it's finally working, so I feel good, happy. My buddy's gone. We had such a good time for a month, man. I was traveling for a month and 5 days. It was a good time. I went to so many places. I went to Atlantic City. I went to New York, Atlanta, Miami. Then I went to DC and Baltimore. We had a blast. Spent a lot of money. Not a good idea at this time spending this much money. That $5,000 is worth right now, I would say $1 million. Not a good idea. But hey, my buddy was here, so I was like, fuck it. You die. You never know, Either of us could die, right? So we're not gonna take money to our graves, right? So I was like, fuck it. I'm gonna go with my buddy. Show him around, have fun. Right, so yep. You and Leo. What is Leo? This looks like it's going to do something like Luna or what's that coin? FTX. The cycle's printing just like that, man. This thing's gonna go up like that, and come back down, up like that, come back down, and probably yeah. What's this coin? Yeah, it'll pull a nice big ass candle down like that. Yeah, I don't trust this one. I do not trust this one. Look at that. Yeah, I don't trust this one. I don't know how high it'll go. How much did it go? I would not get into this. It's only 800%. It looks big, but it's only 800%. Now, on the other hand, Luna looks like huge gains. Look at that. The cycle looks very similar though. This is 17,000% Luna. So this can go up. This can still go up, but man, I don't like it. This looks like FTT and Luna. All these coins I don't like. Any of when they're printing this kind of cycle, I don't like it. See? I don't like this one. I'll stay away from this. USDT Tether equals Bitfinex. Oh, really? Oh, that's why. Really? It's Bitfinex? Okay. So they're gonna take the money and go away. Oh, it's Bitfinex. No wonder. No wonder. The asshole's gonna take people's money and dump. Doom. It's gonna be like this. So Bitfinex collapse somewhere in somewhere in 2024. It could be 2024. That'll be a Bitfinex collapse that'll bring down the market in 2024. Yeah, it can go up. Looks like it has hit the bottom here and it'll go up. It'll go up, considerably, 3x 4x from here, but looks like it's gonna dump later. Very bad, like straight down. Won't give you a room to breathe. Okay, guys, you want me to stay or leave? How are you feeling? Whatever you say. Okay, I can stay. I have time. I'm in a mood today, but if you're tired, we can go chill, watch a movie on my big screen TV. How do you like my TV? I love this one, man. Feels like a home theater. Insane motivation by DJ. Who's new here? Who's new has found my channel recently? I want to quit smoking. Okay, I want to do a request. Jasmine. One of my Patreon wanted me to do Jasmine, so I'll do it for him. Jasmine hit the bottom, bro. I told you, right? Jasmine here, that was the bottom for Jasmine. I'm convinced that that's the bottom for Jasmine. I mean, it's gonna be boring. Don't get excited that it'll try to come to this level, okay? It'll try to penetrate this level up and get rejected. It's gonna be boring for a while, Jasmine. Once it reaches this level right here, up, try to come up, get rejected. Try to come up again, get rejected. You know, something like this can happen before it finds its ground and starts to go up. Okay. So, yeah, I wouldn't be very excited about Jasmy, but still, a good pump for Jasmy could come, you know, 200, 300% pump. Yeah, between 200 to 250% pump. Yeah, I would say 180 to 250% pump for Jasmy. It'll come up to this level. Right there. Or to this level. Okay, might just kiss this level and get rejected. 0.00941. Usually that's what everyone thinks, that it'll come here and get rejected, but then you get the long wick that goes up. Okay, so that is Jasmy. I feel this is the bottom. This was the bottom for Jasmy. How much down did it go? Put together. I was telling him that it's a he was gonna go down to this level. I was like, no way, Shrey, no way. 99.93%. Yeah, that's the bottom for Jasmy. That's the bottom for Jasmy. Jed is new. Welcome, Jed. IOTA looks good too. I haven't looked at long IOTA. Looks like I'm gonna fall sick or something. Yeah, man, IOTA looks good. Looks good. It has come down to the level that I like. It can, yeah, man, IOTA looks good. Very good here. It just looks like Algorand. Looks very good. Looks very good. It's just that I don't like the fact that the triangle is coming up all the way up here. So could pump up to this level and still dump back down, you know, like this before we start to go up. Okay, that's the only thing I don't like about this. You know, it could waste time, a lot of time. 2023, the whole 2023 could be a shit show for this, you know, up and down, coming to this level, 47 cents, between 45 and 47 cents, and dump back down. Try to find any hope if I can. Nah, man. Yeah, it's gonna come to 44, 45 cents dump. Yeah, but this looks good. This looks good. 618 for this. $13. $13. $13 for IOTA. 13 to 14 bucks for IOTA. And that'll happen in probably somewhere in 2023, end of 2023 or 2024 first quarter. So it's not bad for the timing. There are many cryptos which will be very boring in that period. Engine. Bro, I'm getting a little tired now. I think I'm gonna fall sick or something. You know, my throat is hurting. So I'll take off. I'm gonna relax, watch a movie, okay, or watch a series. I will see you tomorrow, okay? My friend is gone now, so I will have more time. I'll come on a regular basis, okay? But I won't do a lot of lives because, you know, I mean, if I'm getting funded like that, then I will do the lives like this, okay? It makes sense. Or else, you know, the short videos that I put, I get more exposure, more reach towards the audience. I'm trying to grow my audience. So your 10 people, tell your 10 friends about the channel, bro. You know, you have crypto bros, right? Tell them about my channel. You know, word of mouth really helps, okay? I would really appreciate that. I'll see you guys, okay, later. You have a good night. Have a nice weekend. Okay, enjoy your Sunday. Right? Later. Love you all.